Good evening. Oklahoma's record number of COVID-19 hospitalizations is growing. The state health department says more than 2,200 Oklahomans are in the hospital.
And now we are calling in the military medical teams to support those overcrowded hospitals. News 9's Barry Mangold tells us which of those hospitals are getting that extra help.
Yeah, Carl, Amanda, today was another day where all four of the major health systems here in OKC reported having 0 available ICU beds. Soon, medical teams from the U.S. Army and Air Force will arrive to help manage the record number of COVID-19 patients.
We know we don't have enough staff, and we're overworking the ones we have.
As Oklahoma continues to handle full emergency departments and shortfalls in hospital staffing, the federal government is sending military medical teams to OU Health and Integris.
I think that speaks to the high positivity rate that we have, to the crisis that our hospitals are in as far as patients, to the large surge that we're seeing with more admissions than we've ever had before.
The State Hospital Association says one team of 25 Army personnel will help at OU Health facilities, and 2 Air Force teams made up of 45 personnel will go to Integris Health. Today, the State Health Department reports the highest 3-day average of COVID hospitalizations ever, with more than 2,000 patients. Mary Clark, president of the State Medical Association, says hospital employees are feeling burnt out.
That says a lot to someone to know that, okay, it may not be so easy for me today. It may not fix my problem, but someone is trying to help us out.
We have been trying to scream at the top of our lungs to say how bad it is, to beg people to get immunizations.
And the Hospital Association says each of the teams will be made up of physicians, nurses, respiratory therapists, and others. They're expected to arrive here in early February. Live in Oklahoma City, Barry Mangold, Oklahoma's Own, News 9.